Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
After all, in most homes you can remove as much as you wish of a load-bearing wall, but it has a lot to do with what's inside the wall, and how you plan to redistribute the weight. Load-bearing walls are critical to the structure of your home.
Take our lead.
The brick walls being constructed have about 0.5 to 1 inch thick horizontal layer of mortar. 4.5 inch thick walls are not structurally safe if they are beyond 7 feet in height or carry some imposed load. 12 February 2006.
Take our lead.
To remove a load-bearing wall, construction will likely cost between $1,200 and $3,000 if you have a single-story home, and between $3,200 and $10,000 for multi-story homes. For a partition wall, the cost is between $300 and $1,000.11. January 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Use one 22 feet long W8x48 steel beam down the center of your 22x28 rectangle. This steel beam is 8.5 deep, plus a 1.5 deep wood nailer plate, plus 0.75 floor sheathing, means that the floor is 10.75 at the deepest point. Then use 2x10 joists spaced at 16 inches on center spanning 14 feet on each side of the steel beam. 6 July 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To determine if a wall is a load-bearing one, Tom suggests going down to the basement or attic to see which way the joists run. If the wall is parallel to the joists, it's probably not load-bearing. If the wall is perpendicular, it's most likely load-bearing.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.